So hello everyone, how are you all? This is your favorite teacher Arindam sir and I again welcome you all to my YouTube channel Revision Learning. So today we will cover the most important current and hot affairs of 9th June 2020. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Union Minister Jitendra Singh has launched the COVID Beep app. It is the country's first indigenous wireless physiological parameters monitoring system for the affected patients. COVID Beep stands for Continuous Oxygenation and Vital Information Detection Biomed ECIL ESIC pod. The Indian Air Force has designed, developed and inducted an airborne rescue pod for isolated transportation. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh inaugurated a plant health clinic at the Directorate of Horticulture and Soil Conservation Imphal on 8 June 2020. The Rajasthan government has launched centralized manpower repository Raj Kaushal. Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries and Allied Nations have agreed to extend a production cut of nearly 10 million barrels of oil a day through the end of July 2020. The RBI has proposed a comprehensive framework for sale of loan exposures, which could be standard, substandard, or non-performing assets. Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs CBIC has launched its flagship program Turrent Customs at Bengaluru and Chennai. The World Bank has given rupees 1,950 crore loans to the West Bengal government for tackling COVID situation and developmental works in the state. Madhya Pradesh has emerged the top state in the country in wheat procurement on support prices. The state government has purchased over 1.27 crore tons wheat from the farmers. Defense Institute of Advanced Technology, Pune, has developed a nanotechnology-based disinfectant spray to combat COVID-19 by disinfecting all types of surfaces. It has been named Ananya. India and Denmark have signed a memorandum of understanding for developing cooperation in the power sector. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways have mandated a strip of green color of 1 centimeter width on top of the existing sticker carrying details of registration for the BS6 vehicles of any fuel type, that is for petrol or CNG, which have a light blue color sticker, and a diesel vehicle which is of orange color. A provision of rupees 1,01,500 crore has been made under Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme in the current financial year of 2020-21. The iconic Bande Utkal Janani has been accorded the status of state anthem of Odisha. Abu Dhabi Investment Authority ADIA, one of the world's biggest sovereign wealth funds, will invest rupees 5683.5 crore into Jio platform. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has launched Street Vendor Registration Portal and Mukhyamantri Sahay Pad Vyavsay Utthan Yojana. He transferred rupees 300 crore to urban local bodies. Hyderabad City Security Council, in association with Hyderabad City Police, has launched a program Stree. It will support and empower women undergoing domestic violence and abuse. Former Australian batsman Michael Clarke has been honoured in the Queen's Birthday list for Australia, with the former cricket captain recognised for both his sporting career and community work. Clarke was appointed an officer in the General Division of the Order of Australia. Diplomat Monica Kapil Mohta has been appointed as the next ambassador of India to Switzerland. Technosoft has announced that C. Narayanan has been appointed as the company's CEO and will join the board of directors of Technosoft soon. So, this is all about the most important daily current affairs of 9 June. We will bring up all the important current affairs of 10 June tomorrow. So, till then, don't forget to subscribe the Revision Learning and press the bell icon so that you always stay updated with the channel. Thanks for watching.